A Texas ban on all abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy took effect Wednesday after the U.S. Supreme Court failed to act on an emergency request by abortion rights groups to block the law. Such a ban has never been permitted in the United States since the Supreme Court decided Roe v. Wade, the landmark ruling that legalized abortion nationwide in 1973. Planned Parenthood President Alexis McGill Johnson.
Essentially, what happened in Texas is that they turned the clock back 50 years. It is an incredibly dark day, and in not responding in this moment, the Supreme Court has effectively overruled Roe v. Wade for women in Texas.
The law amounts to a near total ban on abortion procedures, given that 85 to 90% of abortions occur after 6 weeks of pregnancy, and would likely force many clinics to close. Texas Governor Greg Abbott signed the law back in May.
Our Creator endowed us with the right to life, and yet millions of children lose their right to life every year because of abortion. In Texas, we work to save those lives.
The Texas law gives private citizens the power to sue abortion providers and anyone who aids or abets an abortion after 6 weeks. Citizens who win such lawsuits would be entitled to at least $10,000. Professor of law at Florida State University, Mary Ziegler, says while other states have enacted criminal penalties as a way to restrict abortion, the Texas law is unique.
The reason Texas has done this, I think there are really two reasons. One, lawsuits of this kind could effectively bankrupt abortion providers, so they may stop performing abortions, whether there are criminal consequences or not. And more importantly, designing the law in this way protects abortion providers, protects Texas officials from potential lawsuits.
Ziegler also said the Supreme Court could at any time weigh in on the request to block the Texas abortion law. President Joe Biden on Wednesday blasted the law and said his administration would fight to protect the constitutional right to abortion.